Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to translate in WhatsApp. First thing that you need to do is make sure that you install the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once done installing, just simply tap the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. And once you are here, just simply click an individual message. Just for example, this one. And here in the message, just tap this message part and you will see here the three small dots here. Just simply click or tap that and you will see here in this option that translate. Just click this translate and you will see here in your screen the detect language and to what language it will translate. If you want to translate it in other language, just click this English and just choose what language you want to translate. Okay, that's it guys on how to translate in WhatsApp. I hope this video helps you a lot and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.